Hello friends, first of all I will introduce myself. My name is Nikhil. Today's date is 18th of October 2022 and today's topic is file system in Java. A file system is a process of managing how and where data on the storage disk, which is also referred to as the file management. So or the it is a logical and disk component that contains the keys, files separated and into the groups. So which is the file group known as a dictionaries, and it is an address of a human user and related to the computer. Hence it is manage the disks, internal operations, files, and additional architecture can be done to the directions. Although there are various systems with Windows, and NIFS is the most common modern, and in modern times it would be impossible for a file with the same data and with the same and to exit impossible to remove installed and programs, and we remove the specific. Next we will see managed in the hierarchy. Next we will see the a disk. A disk is a hard disk drive. For example, hard disk has a file despite types of usage. Alex also is it contains an information about the size and the file location, segment information, and where the disk data is stored, and also describes the how a user application may access the data. The operation like metadata, file naming is also done in it. On a storage devices, files are stored in sectors, and which is the data stored in groups of sectors called as a blocks. Thus, the size and the location of the files are identified by the file system, and it is also helps to recognize which sectors are ready to use the other windows. There are some other operations. So we will see that is contain FAT and NTFS files file system, but apps product like iOS, Windows user HFS as operation system in horizon by the different kinds of file system. Sometimes the term file system is used to reference from partitions of our instance saving. On the other hand, drive two files two files that does not have been mean drive. uh, Thank you, this is all from my side.